Hello and welcome to True Digital's tutorial video series. In this series we'll be given a complete overview of the entire solution. We'll be showing you how to create, manage and finally deploy your content. Whether you are completely new to digital signage or just need a refresher, you'll find something for everyone with tips and tricks shared by our digital signage experts. In this first episode we'll be providing a brief overview of the dashboard itself, how it's laid out and where to go for different functions. When you first log into your account, you'll notice there are 3 tabs in the top left. By default, you will always begin within the Creative tab. This is where you can upload individual pieces of content, such as images or videos saved on your computer, as well as how you access the studio itself through the Compose button. These will be explored in further detail within the next episode. The second tab is the Playlist tab, and here is where you can manage the individual pieces of content. You do this by grouping together to play in a sequence for a selected duration. Hence the name playlist. In broader terms, whatever is in the playlist will then be the rotating content that will be present on your digital screen. The final tab is the Screens tab, and this is where you'll be able to assign the playlist you have created to a particular screen. This is the final step when creating a piece of digital signage content, and as you can see, each screen is represented by a name. And there we have it. That is the brief overview of our dashboard, which, as mentioned, is comprised of 3 main tabs. In the next episode, we will explore the Creative tab in greater detail, showing you how to add individual pieces of content that can be used within the studio.